Jonathan from Rain Brothers here, rainbrothers.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about this old style roof washer and how it is very easy to replace it with a newer technology, newer and better technology. If you're watching this video, chances are that you have this style roof washer at your house. You probably have a box between your downspout and your cistern that has this filter, this same exact filter element in it, and this is what is quote-unquote filtering the water before it goes into your cistern. If you have this old style, it's a Water Filtration Company roof washer filter, you probably know that they will gunk up really easily. They're kind of expensive to maintain. You usually have to get a wet vac out there to vacuum out your filter box. Thankfully, there are better solutions, and I wanted to just mention that this is what we recommend using in lieu of this filter. The good news is, with this unit, you can leave your existing infrastructure in place. You're just going to simply omit this filter completely and use this box as just a pass-through. And we recommend putting in this Single Outlet Monjolin downspout debris filter on each downspout that's feeding your cistern. So this would mount in line with your downspout. They're very easy to install. It takes about 10 minutes to pop this in. And this is the PreFilter that will just completely eliminate the need for the roof washer. This will filter down to a 60 micron level. It will filter out all debris, pine needles, leaves, anything that passes through the gutters. It will just, that debris will fall out this outlet and the clean water will continue to pass through. For more information on this particular product, visit our link right here. And thank you so much for watching. Please visit us at rainbrothers.com to order this and other fine cistern products.